Hello everyone! Today I'm going to cook rice. Watch and learn. First, measure the rice 4 cups. Next, rinse the rice 2 to 3 times until the rice is less cloudy. Then, add water 4 cups rice plus. About 4 cups water. After that, put the inner pot into the rice cooker and close the lid. Press cook. When it switches to warm, let the rice rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, open the lid and flap with a rice paddle.